What's up, guys? Jason Speed here with You Love Speed TV, and I have an LG Waveforce washer that won't stop running, like the water won't stop running. So today I'm going to fix it. We ordered a inlet valve that we're going to replace, and I'm going to try my handy hat on and show you how it's done. All right, so from what I can tell from the videos that I've watched, it's very, very simple to do this. The only tools you'll need is a pair of Phillips head screwdriver, a pair of pliers, and a pipe wrench is preferred, but if you don't have a pipe wrench, just something that you can grip the outside of the water line so that you can tighten them up and take them off. So I'm gonna show you step by step. It should be very easy. Check it out. So far so good. Now that you have the back plate off, you can easily just fold this faceplate down so that you can access the inlet valve. Now, from the one that I ordered on Amazon, this is where I want to double check before I do anything. It looks just like this. So it looks the same thing, right? Now, before you take anything apart, get a good mental image. Obviously, I'm recording right now, so I can always look back on it, but take good notes on what their clips are in order and where they're plugged in so that you can plug them back in the same way. And also what hot and cold, where they're plugged in at. You could always cheat and look at the back of the faceplate to see where hot and cold is, but just remember those. So now I'm gonna remove all the clips, both hoses, and all the mounting screws around it to disconnect it from the whatever that piece is. That excess water, all right, so you got the old inlet valve off. Now it's time to put the new one back on. Alright, so I've already taken a towel and cleaned up the excess water that was dripping on the floor. I'm ready to plug it back in, run a cycle, and see what we got. So far, so good. We've got running water, so we'll see if it turns off when it's supposed to. So it looks like we have a mission accomplished. We have water that has stopped running during the wash cycle, which is normally when it would keep running all the way through spin. And it is washing now, so we only threw a couple towels in there just to test the first load, but looks like so far so good. Good thing too, because we got a ton of laundry to catch up on. But nonetheless, thank you guys so much for watching. If this video was at all helpful, give me a like, subscribe to the channel, and stay tuned for more handyman stuff, I guess. I don't know. We'll see you guys in the next video.